So right now we're doing some Honda stuff, and oh, hello. This horsey is trying to help me out here, I think.
10 seconds later.
Alright, this is getting real scary now. Hello. This is getting real scary. Okay, I lied. We're not doing Honda stuff. We're gonna clean the Cobalt today. Got some stuff, I'll show you. Let me get something out of here. I accidentally left the keys for the Cobalt in here. Alright, some cleaning supplies we got here. I'll just show you when we get there. Alright, grab the bucket. Hopefully that's good enough for some power. Let's get this started. Shut the fan off. See if that beast turns on. A little loud on startup there. Downpipe into some headers. Headers into downpipe. Don't know what I'm talking about right now. Gonna shine some of this black up quick. Like that. That. Son of a bitch. Struggles of only carrying 20s. I'll be here a minute. That's just loud. Gonna wash it down with some soap first. I don't ever want to use my sponge and then get rubbing the dirt. Do a full soap down, and then I'm going to sponge her down and then rinse. Alright. Think about yellow cars. Really got to clean that grime off by hand. You know, all clean. Alright, well, that was the end of the video. Just wanted to make a quick video on cleaning, start making some videos. Another thing I do is I Windex the windows inside and out. When you Windex it, you really feel like your car is different because it's such a nice glow to the inside. It looks like you're looking through an aqua fish tank. But yeah, she's ready to rip. Anyways, thanks for watching. Peace.